When you're recording a video, do you ever face this dilemma? Struggling with your camera blocking your screen? Start and end with a personal presence without hiding your content. You can have both. FocuSee's dynamic camera layout makes your camera intelligent. Now you can set different camera positions for specific segments, all with smooth transitions. Part 1. Getting started with your layout. First, open FocuSee on your computer. You can start a new recording with your camera or import an existing video to edit. On the left navigation bar, click the camera icon. Here, you can easily turn your camera display on or off. FocuSee offers 6 predefined layout options. Simply choose your favorite. You can also flip the camera position. Part 2. How to customize your camera layout. Click Adjust Layout. This lets you freely drag and scale your camera window to find the perfect position and size. Part 3. How to add multiple layouts. This is where the magic happens. Enhance your video with dynamic camera layouts. You can apply different layouts to different segments of your timeline. Switch between full screen, picture-in-picture, or even hide the camera entirely between specific timestamps to guide your audience's attention and boost engagement. On the camera track, you can visually see the different layouts applied to each segment. Part 4. Customize your camera background. Choose your preferred background style to create a more polished and professional look. Part 5. Other camera settings. But that's not all. You can further refine every shot. Adjust the display size of your camera. Add rounded corners for a softer look. Display your camera mirrored or flipped. And when you zoom in on your screen to highlight details, your camera will automatically shrink to stay out of the way. Use filters to change the tone and style of your camera feed. Add a border for a final touch. Once you're done, you can export your video or upload and share it with a link. Now, let's take a look at the final result. Stop settling for monotonous screen recordings. Download FocuSee now and explore more smart editing features to make every one of your shares clear and outstanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.